Merdeka! Guys, it's almost Independence Day at August 17th. So which means I got to react to Indonesian games. One of my most favorite are, like the... So that one is the Lomba Makan Kerupuk. So this is gonna be all about Panjat Pinang, where you have to climb a tall stick. And after that, it's covered in oil. After that, you have to try to climb it. So come on guys, let's go.
Kalau ngomongin kemerdekaan, rasanya nggak lengkap kalau nggak ada yang namanya lomba panjat pinang. Salah satu lomba paling heboh dan paling ramai se-Indonesia. Panjat pinang itu lomba yang udah ada sejak zaman Belanda. Dan sekarang panjat pinang udah jadi bagian dari perayaan kemerdekaan, simbol perjuangan kita untuk mencapai puncak kemenangan. Batang pinang yang digunakan tinggi dan licin karena sengaja dikasih minyak biar nggak gampang dipanjat. Di atasnya digantung banyak hadiah. Ada baju, sepeda, alat dapur, dan masih banyak lagi. Untuk ikut lomba dibentuk menjadi satu tim yang biasanya diisi 4-6 orang. Kita saling menopang tubuh untuk membuat menara manusia. Pemain paling bawah menahan beban paling berat, sedangkan yang di atas harus lincah dan cekatan untuk mencapai hadiahnya.
Panjat pinang pesertanya para bocil.
Hey, I am bocil.
Jadi untuk perlombaan panjat pinang kali ini diikuti adik-adik. Biasanya perlombaan ini dilakukan orang dewasa. Sedikit demi sedikit panjat pinangnya mulai ditaklukkan. Kelihatan sekali adik-adik ini sangat semangat. Awas loh, kalau sudah nggak kuat turun aja, ganti teman yang lain. Oh iya, untuk peserta di sini semuanya akan dijamin mendapatkan hadiah. Loh, ternyata
Kok Mika jadi pacu jalur?
Sudah ada yang bisa nyampai atas, geng. Hebat sih, walaupun pesertanya anak-anak, tapi semangatnya luar biasa.
Bro, that was that was surprising. I never actually thought kids could do that. Don't make me do that. In the comments, do not make me do that.
Do not make me do that.
I do not want to open up my shirt. I do not want to reveal this tummy. And besides, I'm too heavy to do that. Guys, those are Mbaba and Ibu Ibus. Are you sure they can do that? Comment down below if you think they succeed.
Ibu-ibunya jatuh.
There are so much people and you still cannot do that. Gimana sih?
Gimana sih?
Are you sure they can climb up? Is it actually that hard? Okay, yep, this just... Bro, just be like...
Mika ngapain? Kakaknya keberatan, guys.
Bro's like... Just get me home.
Ya, gagal deh.
Great job! You haven't even reached the present. Guys, so it's a very good game. It's about teamwork, it's about working together, it's about communication, social, and how to reach your goals. Alright guys, so now after that climbing, now it's Makan Kerupuk, one of my personal favorites. So let's go start off with this one.
Lomba selanjutnya ada lomba makan kerupuk. Lomba ini simpel banget aturannya. Peserta cuma perlu makan kerupuk yang digantung di tali. Yang bikin ribet, tangan nggak boleh dipakai sama sekali. Lomba makan kerupuk ini selalu penuh tawa. Karena kadang gaya peserta yang aneh, ada yang sampai kepalanya maju mundur. Dan ada juga yang kerupuknya malah jatuh duluan sebelum habis.
Bro's like, just kidding.
Adeknya nggak dapet.
Yang semangat dong, yang semangat dong. Mana ya?
Kenapa malah jadi hoax?
Pengen sare.
Bro's like, transformation.
Kok diem aja?
So this is the cool one. Bro's just like that, like, there's nothing happening here. That's actually very funny. Alright guys, so I know this one's a very famous game because of two reasons. First, it's hard and challenging. Second of all, you get free food. And it's yummy. And moving on to the next one. Alright guys, so this is the next most famous Independence game. And I ever did it, and I won. Great job, Yuka. Great job. So this is gonna be video number 3. 3, 2, 1, go.
Selanjutnya ada lomba balap karung. Lomba yang sudah ada sejak lama. Karung yang dipakai biasanya karung goni bekas beras atau karung tepung. Tantangan terbesar di balap karung adalah menjaga keseimbangan sambil tetap cepat. Tapi nggak jarang ada yang kehilangan keseimbangan dan jatuh tengkurap, bahkan ada yang sampai nyungsep. Tapi justru di situ serunya. Semua orang ikut terhibur, peserta pun tertawa walaupun kalah.
Lah engkau denganku.
Kok pada guling-guling?
Guys, it's so funny. One is like second, one's like third, one's just rolling around on the ground. Like nothing ever happened. Bro's just free rolling around. That is so clever and funny. I never done that. Instead of winning, I fell down on my face. They look like Among Us. The real Among Us look like this. Bruh, that's actually so funny. They're walking Among Us. And I must say, it was kind of like the first video, except they were not rolling around.
Ini parah nih. Tenang.
Guys, one is like this. The other one is like this. Bruh, that's actually so funny.
Kok karungnya nggak dipakai? Loh, kok malah dikarungin?
Did you see that? That man had to carry him in a bag. Oh my god. That is so funny. Alright guys, so this is all for the balap karung. And like I say, if you see somebody like this, and small and tiny, you have like this found living among us. Alright guys, so out of the 3 videos, my favorite, I think it's balap karung because you know the reason, living among us. What do you think guys in the comments? Leave it down below in the comments. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel with others. And comment down below. Bye guys. Merdeka!